This created the widespread discontentment and became the immediate cause of revolt. Grenville Measures. Now, what was the reason Britain was giving? It was saying that the 7 years of war has caused a lot of burden on their nation, right? So now, first act which was introduced was the Sugar Act. The duties were on sugar and molasses. Now, it was said that these colonists could only import the molasses to Britain and no other nation. They were bound to do that, and they felt it very unfair burden on articles like this. The trade even with the French and Dutch was restricted. Second thing, Currency Act. Okay, it prohibited the colonies from issuing any kind of paper currency. Now this is getting too much, and they said only British approved currency will be allowed. Now understand that what is happening in the local economy, definitely it is going to hurt the economies and create a shortage of legal tender in the economy. Apart from this is most important, the stamp duty. Even the official stamps, okay, on all the printed material they have to be only of certain type of paper, okay, which began to be used in the court, and the range over here was 2 cents to 6 pound. How can a common man of America who is a planter or a agriculture totally support this when they themselves are not allowing the currency of US, and they themselves are saying that you use the currency of Britain? Now this is one of the majorest cause because of which revolution took place, stamp duty. And in context of this, slowly we will see that they give a statement that no representation, no taxation, okay, no taxation without representation in the British Parliament. Arey, we are not a part of your system in Britain, then how can you be imposing such rights on such restrictive conditions on us? The last one over here is Quartering Act. Okay, these colonies, they had to compulsory provide for housing, supplies, provisions, and part of their income for the British troops. Now this seems like, this compulsory provision seems like a kind of a slavery, you can say a financial slavery, to the people who were already living in Northern America, who were already paying so much of taxes. Okay, now understand, there were certain